Hello guys, how are you? Travis from T-Rizzle Studios. How the heck are you guys? It might be cold outside, but we're about to heat things up with another hot sauce challenge. Today is Hell's Kitchen. We got 5 different sauces here to try out. And just like last time, ending with the ghost pepper sauce. I got these chips again from the last video. Hit that link right below if you want to see me take on the hot sauce challenge. Beautiful box, by the way. On the side here, top 10 hot sauce to-dos. Lightly drizzle over popcorn. My wife would do that one. She does do that one. Fold in scrambled eggs. Melt with butter for hot wing sauce. Dash on ribs before baking. Whisk into a vinaigrette for salad dressing. That could be good. Add bite to your burger. Ooh, yeah. Swirl into chili or tortilla soup, excuse me. I can talk, I really can. Add to ground pork or spicy sausage patties. Liven up your cocktail sauce.
Hey, Dada.
Shake with vodka and tomato juice. What?
Can I buy this game?
No. So, without further ado, let's get started.
No.
We'll just toss that right there for a minute. Alright, I learned my lesson the hard way last time. I already took them out. Let's get these a good shake.
Ghost pepper is the... Oh, ghost pepper is really watery.
That's scary.
Really watery.
Let's see.
Alright. Daddy, look how much water these are. Daddy, look at...
There's no official rules to this, but I am going to put on a 5-minute timer when I am done with everything. See if I can last a little bit longer than the last time.
Daddy.
What, Sam?
This is really watery. Look at...
Yeah, I noticed that.
This is really...
First one, sriracha hot wings, or hot sauce, excuse me.
Like Candy Crush.
It smells good. Hopefully this time I don't make a mess. Mrs. Rizzle was not happy with me in the last video. Not bad. Tickled the back of the throat a little bit. But we're good. This is being hot in a hurry. Green chili. I'm not sure if that was meant to be first or not. It wasn't first. This was second. So I'm assuming this is level 2. I'm getting better. That one's good. I feel like this should have been reversed. I feel like this should have been the first one, and this should have been the second one. Oh boy. Whiskey habanero. Excuse me. That one sneaks up on you a little. Give that a good shake. God, look at the color. Ooh. doesn't have much smell to it. Put a nice coating on there. Real good spice. I can definitely taste the whiskey. Heat's getting a little more intense, guys. Next up, this is the one that really intrigues me. This one that made me decide to buy this one. Chipotle chocolate hot sauce. I almost lost the cap on that. Ooh, excuse me. That was my wife.
Oh my god, guys, it's almost too late, so if you want to.
Oh my god, look at that. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'm trying not to make a mess. I've done good so far without making a mess.
He has a whole drizzle pile. It's not good.
Whoa! Oh, mama!
I never take it.
I definitely taste the chocolate. That's weird.
Why would they chocolate and hot sauce? Chocolate and hot sauce is the worst texture in mixture. Whatever you call it.
Ooh. That one lasts a bit longer than the last one. I'm gonna need the phone in a minute here.
Why?
Start a timer. So far, so good. I'm not doing too bad. I'm getting used to the spices, I think.
How's that hot? It's pretty good though.
Oh god, this one sounds like pure... It sounds like lava.
You're getting a whole
Pause, please. Put it on mute. Oh, mamma mia.
Can I smell it?
Oh god.
Can I smell it?
No. Why do I do this stuff? I do it for the views. I do it for the views.
Whole big drop for the views, right guys? Comment down below if you want him to do a bigger one. Bigger.
Oh god. Making a mess. Don't please don't make a mess. Wow.
Oh.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh, not as spicy as the last one. Oh, okay. Might be making me a liar. Ooh.
Anybody put the timer on?
Put 5 minutes on the clock.
For what?
See how long that can last. Ooh. Without having to sip of eggnog. Hopefully you guys can see that.
Travis.
Whoa.
You still taste it?
I still taste it. Why? Oh boy, here come the tears. Each one of these sauces are 0 calories, so there's a plus side to that. I didn't make a mess though. Finally. Ooh, you can definitely feel it. Water makes it worse. Oh, I don't have any ice cream. No. I still got a minute. We're about 3 minutes. We're 2 minutes in.
Delicious cold.
No, those are your mother's. Put those back. Fruit bars. Whoa. You might be starting to hiccup a little.
You're not even close yet.
I'm getting close.
Comment down below if you want me to do this whole chip right now.
Jalapeno lime is not that spicy. Whoa.
I don't even know where I don't even. Right now, spread. I'm here.
Alright, that's 4 minutes in. 1 more minute to go. Holy crap. I'm actually sweating. I am actually sweating. I think my favorite one though was the whiskey habanero. A little bit of a heat to it, but you can definitely taste the whiskey. Wow.
If I was him, I would probably like. Actually, ghost pepper and
this one was a little bit hot. It wasn't terrible. I definitely did like the chocolate.
alcohol.
Ah, 59 seconds. Almost there. Slice it in the back of the throat.
I can make it.
30 seconds. I'm lasting longer on this one than I did the other one. If you want to see me suffer again, excuse me, I'll leave the link in the description for the last one we did. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I survived. That was 5 minutes. I've earned this. Cheers to you guys.
Cheers to Frozen 2.
Mm-hmm. Cheers to eggnog and beer. Dag nabbit.
I can still feel the habanero.
I didn't make a mess of this, But I made a mess of the eggnog.
You should try it.
Spicy. Hot stuff, baby.
I still feel it. I still feel it. Then I tried the chip.
Alright. Guys, thanks for watching me suffer for another hot sauce video. Let's keep this going.
And guys, if we hit 2,000 likes, we will do another one.
We're not gonna hit 2,000, but I will make another video very soon. Thanks guys for watching.
Just try to give us 2,000, and if we do see that, we will do another one. If you want to see my dad suffer. Oh, and it's almost too late, so comment down below if you want that. Or mom.
Guys, hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed. Hit the share button.
And hit the subscribe button.
Hit subscribe.
Because you'll miss all the future videos, and you don't want to miss all those fun videos.
What she said. Guys, we'll see you real soon. Thanks for watching.